we're looking at today is that new build we took over out on Lexington.
Oh, that's right.
Feels good to be back in the old hood. We don't get to do Fountain Square very often anymore.
I know, we usually can't afford it.
This house was started by another builder, but they weren't able to finish it. It's a little risky because it's just on the edge of Fountain Square.
We're right at the dividing line.
I mean, the safe boundary of Fountain Square seems to be expanding because prices are going up everywhere, so people are getting a little bit more comfortable moving further out and out.
All right.
At least that's what I'm working with right now. Even at the edge of the neighborhood, this place was still $100,000, but this is a really big house. It's 2,800 square feet and has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Now it's laid out with the living room area downstairs along with a main floor master suite and an attached garage. And then upstairs, there's 3 more bedrooms with a full bath and a cool loft space and then a second master suite. We'll probably want to make a few adjustments, but we definitely need to deck it out. If we want to support a Fountain Square kind of price point in this part of the neighborhood, we need to make it worth that high price tag. So kitchens and bathrooms need to be on point.
Is that ours?
There she blows. It's lacking some dimension.
I see room for a front porch.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe even a 2-story?
Girl, you're wild.
Yeah, I am, it's true. Does the trash come with the house?
Yep, it does. The good news is we have new construction on both sides.
That's fantastic.
And these were rough before, so.
Yeah, oh yeah. So how do we get in?
I'm
Is there a trick? Is there a secret?
guessing over here. Oh, this concrete's just gonna be super fun to remove. Yeah, so we got windows all along the front. We're good there.
And we've got 2x6 framing.
Look at that pretty wall.
Look at this.
The second you walk inside, you just see a big old wall, which is not how we roll. That's gotta go. So yeah, that, and then
Yeah.
living room, dining room, kitchen, all in the front section up here.
Okay.
I think back here, where the hallway widens up a little bit, is a
What?
bedroom on the first floor. We have what appears to be a first floor ensuite, so a master, bathroom space, and then closet space.
People like a master suite on the main floor. That's where you put mom.
Yeah. So back here, we do have an attached garage, which is super great.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a ladder.
You climb on these.
That's a stretch. I don't know if I can make that stretch. Let me see. Nope, I can't do that. I can't make that. Like, I can't get my foot up to the first step of the ladder, much less reach the, I can't. I found a ladder. Ta-da.
Gift with purchase.
And I found a whole bunch of siding. Nothing. Back up. I'm gonna come around the corner. Oh, we're going up there? All right.
That would make sense, right?
Yeah. That ladder is a little questionable. There
There we go. Oy. Going up is fine. Going down's the scary part. We do have a second living space because we've got this like loft area.
Oh, nice. That is nice. So that makes up for a lack downstairs.
Yeah. And then down this way into what is an ensuite, master bedroom.
Yeah.
There's a master upstairs and downstairs.
Yeah.
And then it looks like back here, we've got probably 3 bedrooms, and they're all good size. Bathroom back here, probably.
So we
So
have
1,
3
2,
bedrooms
3.
sharing a bathroom up here.
Yeah, lots of rooms.
Ooh, this hallway is skinny. I don't think that's 36 inches. If you got a tape on you,
Yeah.
because those are 12s.
That's 33.5 inches without drywall.
That's not okay.
Finished hallway code is 36 inches, and right now it's 33.
Right.
Which means it would be 32 after drywall.
Right.
Which, even if that wasn't code, that is booty. We can't sell this house with a hallway that
You got to shimmy
a
down.
large man couldn't walk down. This house doesn't look like much now, but I'm pretty excited about its potential. I'm happy that we can keep a lot of the framing that's already been done And it's a bummer, but we'll have to widen the hallway and take down a wall. But on the plus side, we don't have to buy any new windows, which will save us a ton of money.
And we have new construction on either side, which is good. All right.
All right, let's roll.
All right.
Good plan. We paid $100,000 for it, and I'm expecting our renovation cost to come in around $250,000. So we'll be all in at $350,000. With a house this size and with the new construction around helping us to establish some solid comps, I think we can get $450,000 for it, which should be a nice $100,000 profit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, it's like a door that's swinging.
Wait.
There we go. Take that outside. Watch it. Good job.
You like that?
And now can we just fold it like an accordion?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
Woo, this is so cool looking. Watch your fingers.
Look at that.
Ta-da!
Oh my gosh, that was the most delicate demo ever.
It really was.
And now, kitchen, dining, living.
It's only 33 inches. With drywall, that's gonna be 32 inches. Code is 36. So we have to move it at least 4 inches. We can cut this right here.
Where are you going?
See that line?
Yeah,
See it all the way down?
sure.
We can cut that,
Okay,
and then we can bang the wall forward.
that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
right to this line, all
Right.
the way down. Are you gonna do this in your sunglasses?
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
Because you make this place shine.
Oh, nice.
You see that?
That was beautiful. There
And
we
they're
go.
like in there like swimwear.
One down.
Okay, we're clear.
There we go. Oh, Corey,
What?
hallways are for dancing. What step do you know?
What? I don't dance, but
Come
I
here.
can.
Okay, so come here. Put your hair. Okay, so we're gonna dance down the hallway. We gotta do this, and then we gotta do a little spin. No, keep going. Spinning, spinning. See, we can dance in this hallway. There we go.
And then as you get your wolf hat, you can be dancing with Wolf.
Dancing with Wolf.
All right, we got this.
Is a hallway.
This house is huge. I think
Yeah.
our price point is gonna be pretty substantial.
'Kay.
It's super long and skinny, but I think it's still gonna feel big.
Yeah.
First off, the front of the house is really flat. We need to add a cute little front porch to give it some dimension. And we already took out that front wall, so we've got a nice open space for the living room and a big dine-in chef's kitchen. There's no plumbing, there's no electrical, so we can really do whatever. But I think to keep the ceilings high, I want to run exposed ductwork all along the side here. People like that industrial look.
Yeah, that's nice.
So on the second floor, we've got all the stuff.
All the bedrooms.
3 bedrooms and a full bath on the back, and then the loft space that I think leaving open, second living area makes sense.
Space, sure.
Another master suite on the front, lots of windows, lots of light.
Oh my goodness, look at that closet.
I know, this is the thing. I think it would make sense just making this part closet.
Okay.
And doing a walk-in shower here and a freestanding tub here.
Okay.
We've never had this much space for a master bath. So for the price point, we're going for it. We've got to do it right. I want to do a traditional Americana look because the lines of the house are very traditional. Especially with our new front porch, I just want to give it kind of a Heartland vibe. So we'll do a mix of reds, whites, and blues because America. And I want some rustic elements like wood and leather, and we'll do nickel fixtures for that sort of old-timey classic look.
Okay.
When you walk in, the kitchen's gonna be kind of what's in your face. This is the backsplash,
Okay.
and we're pairing that with some rich brown cabinets. Our big house on Lexington is starting to take shape. The front porch is finished, and the blue paint is up on the exterior. Inside, the light flooring is going in, and the kitchen is almost finished. We went with butcher block counters, which I think will add that traditional Americana vibe, but I'm starting to have some doubts about my cabinet choice.
All right, one of the things that we need to talk about is the cabinets.
I
And
like them like this.
I think they look good dark as well, but when you look at them with the floor and with the wood counter, I think it's too much wood.
This room is so full of light.
Oh my gosh, I'd seen the tub, but not this in person yet.
Oh man.
What are you doing in there?
Oh, Toey, it's so
Is she already getting excited?
Yeah.
I know.
It's like jewelry.
You know, I do
It
love
makes
the
me so
nickel-plated
happy.
fixtures.
Can we put the bathtub in there?
Yeah.
Can we set it in place?
This tub that we picked out is the most beautiful thing in the world. We never have opportunity. Like, we've probably done a freestanding tub
Once.
one other time in 80-some houses
Watch your fingers.
because you just don't have the extra room to throw away on a loungy spa tub. But we're trying to sell this house for almost $500,000. You get a loungy spa tub.
It's so pretty.
Carrie. You want to come out?
Oh, yeah, I was going to, but I
Bucket
didn't. You
is
got
now
really
empty
excited.
again.
I did. I got
I didn't want to break
excited.
your stride. Okay.
Ouch.
Ooh, that get your fingers?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right.
Just need a
gonna be
little shelf
beautiful.
where we can reach everything and the little, yeah, you need the little thing across so you can have your book propped up and your
You
champagne.
know what would be just the icing on the cake is that little suction cup thing that you can suction to the side that holds your glass of wine. It's very classy.
But I want it on the tray because I don't want it down in the steamy water.
Kidding, because it's not classy.
Oh, I was gonna say I want it
I
on
own one. No judgment. But
Alrighty.
we'll just set that like on the corner of the sidewalk, like here. Sure. So today we are having a broker's open at our house on Lexington to get some feedback from realtors before we start actually like having buyers come through the place.
We purchased this house for $100,000 and ended up spending about $250,000 on the renovations for a total investment of $350,000. If we end up listing it in the mid 400s, we could see a profit of $100,000 or more. So we're anxious to hear what the agents have to say about the house and if we're in the ballpark for our list price.
Hey! Hi, how are you? Hi, I'm Linnell.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name? Linnell. Linnell. Karen, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you both.
What do you think of the outside?
It's gorgeous. Look
Yeah.
at this front porch.
So when we obtained this, there was no front porch. It was just very flat and looked very sad.
It is so happy now. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Do you like the exposed ductwork?
Yes, I so love it. It is so popular right now. It's amazing.
So before, when you walked in, there was a big wall here. So we knocked that down, so this was all open concept.
I have to take it all in. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
You guys are just the greatest. This is just beautiful.
We kind of went all out on the kitchen. It's all custom painted, nickel fixtures, backsplash, gas, brand new appliances. Of course, the big baby wash and sink, as always.
This is so cool.
Do you like the blue? Yeah.
I do. I really do. I know a lot of people are doing whites and grays right now, but that makes this stand out, I feel like. Oh, how fun. Oh my goodness. I love that. Is that really usable space?
Yeah.
That's cool. People will like that.
This gives you the place where you can be warm and cozy and you can picture movie night or game night or something like that.
So we originally had much lower ceilings, and we were able to work out with our architect a way to be able to vault them, which I think makes it feel much more grand and inches us towards rationalizing the price point we're at.
Obviously, this is a really cool wall, so we needed to do something to really draw the eye. So this is actually one of Mom's old ladders. And then there's this really cool company in Fountain Square that does everything leather, anything you could imagine.
And they did the straps.
And they did the straps for these shelves.
I love it. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't know if I have adjectives right now. This bathtub is to die for. Everybody's gonna want it.
We don't usually have enough space to do a walk-in shower and a soaking tub. So this is real fancy.
This is beautiful, guys. This vanity is stunning.
Pocket doors.
I think he just moved in.
Okay, yeah.
The ensuite bathroom upstairs was absolutely icing on the cake.